This is Dr. Mora. I'm doing a little procedure here on Kenny. You know, Kenny is doing amazingly well. I mean, he recovered so fast, much faster than most people, by the way. And even though he may seem old, his body is actually quite young. Now, he pushed himself so hard recently that he got a little effusion, E-F-F-U-S-I-O-N, effusion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of fluid out of his knee. So check this out. Take a look over here. See how it's a little bubbly right here? It's got a little bubble to it, it feels fluid-like. That's because it is fluid. So what I do is first I take this needle cap right over here and I mark my spot. So we're going to mark our spot. And this is and just so you know, in case any of Kenny's friends are watching, this guy, he recovered much faster than most people, like a 20-year-old. Quite amazing.
I probably recovered faster. He doesn't want to say this on camera than anyone he's ever seen. So I say that with a humble voice.
No. You know what? You probably did set the world record for ACL reconstruction and meniscus repair recovery. Yes, you did. Yes. Faster than David Taylor, the gold medalist, by the way. Yeah. David Taylor got nothing on this guy.
Yeah.
Nothing. So here we go. This isn't even going to hurt him. Actually, he's so good and so brave. I'm not even going to use local anesthesia. I'm just going to go right in. Watch this. Kenny, you don't need local, right?
Well, you remember I did my recovery with no narco.
That's right, nothing, like a little baby poke. So once again, we'll get serious now.
Oh, no, this must hurt. He must be setting me up. He set me up.
Baby poke. Sorry about that.
No, it's all good.
Okay, so little local anesthesia, tiny little needle. Well, it's not that tiny. I mean, this guy can handle the bigger needles compared to other people. So see what I'm doing is I'm just putting a little local like that, and I can feel where I'm at. I can feel a little bit of resistance. So what I'm going to do is actually I'm gonna go like this with my hand over here, go like that, and that way, see, I actually advanced the needle. He didn't even notice. So then I'm going to leave the needle inside just like that. Here's my syringe. It still has a little bit of local. I'm going to do what I call a switcheroo here. Okay, slide a hand. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. There, and you can already see the fluid dripping out right there. See that? Right there. So what I'm going to do is I use that needle as a guide. Little boom like that. Okay, once again, go like this. Distract. And now what I do is I prepare for the fun stuff. I'm gonna leave this alone. It's gonna look weird because it's gonna be hanging there. No harm. Let's fix the mask. There we go. Okay, so now I take out the Big Daddy syringe. Boom. Go like that. Prime it, get it ready. Undo this one. Put it on here. This is my favorite part. I go like this. And if you zoom in, you can see the amber colored fluid, which is normal joint fluid. So most people say, well, why did this happen? It's because he just pushed himself a little bit too hard. That's all this is. He just pushed himself a little bit too hard because that's how Kenny is. He pushes himself harder than most people. He's an example to all of those athletes out there. This is how you do it. He pushes himself a little bit too hard, so he's just going to slow it down a little bit. But see, normal looking amber fluid, I'm going to remove it. Some people will say, well, why are you removing it, Dr. Mora? Because what happens is, if I don't, that fluid inside the knee is going to affect the function of that muscle, the quadriceps. It's going to create a inhibition type of effect where the muscle might actually just all of a sudden give and cause like a hyperextension type of injury. So how are we doing here? See that? This is a nice looking fluid. I feel there's still a little bit more, and then I use my hand to squeeze. Don't mind the Rolex.
Boom! Oh yes, the Rolly baby.
Sorry if it's sparkle.
Business is good, ladies and gentlemen. Business is good.
I didn't mean to get it in a way. It's
okay. Let's go ahead and get a shot of that, guys. Kids, go to school.
Yeah, stay in school, kids.
School right there.
Stay in school. Okay, that looks really good. You see that I'm emptying it out, and then I just rotate his needle a little bit, get the fluid to come my way, back up the needle a teeny bit.
How do you know how much is in there?
I can feel it's empty. I mean, and there might be a teeny bit more here. I go like this. I'm actually looking at my syringe. It's not, and then I go like that. Nothing else is coming out. Bada bing, bada boom, we're done. That is a aspiration of a knee. And now I know Kenny's a stoic, brave guy, so he didn't have any pain because that's just how he is. But based on how I do this, many people will not have pain, unless of course it's some of his friends and you know who they are.
Steve Martin.
Yeah. Otherwise, most people will not have pain.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
And you guys take care. Dr. Steve Mora here, Orange County orthopedic surgeon at Restore Orthopedics and Spine Center. # MoraMD. Please follow me for more cutting edge orthopedic surgery. Thanks. There you go.